Hi, I'm Madonna Guy. If you're watching this, you might know me from the naturopathic community in Australia. You might know me from my YouTube channel, New Leaf Health Team, or you might be waiting for my online courses, in which case check out the online kinesiology course or whatever it's called. All things New Leaf Natural Therapies on Facebook. I'm about to hop on my bike and ride to work. And one of the things that I wanted to mention for new kinesiologists, tip of the day for new kinesiologists, is that you've got to be doing active listening. I know it's a very physical process going ahead and doing kinesiology on someone, but if you are paying so much attention to the actual process you're going through, you might be not hearing the things that your client is telling you, and then you might not be able to meld that into a beautiful counselling kinesiology session simultaneously. So it's one of those things. Sorry, I've been racing around with my head chopped off and I actually forgot to put my boots on. I got out to the bike. Went, I've got no boots on. Anyway, so it's just because things are so crazy at the moment. I've got a million things going on, so I keep forgetting really important things. Anyway, so if you're not active listening, then people might mention people, places, stresses. They might mention things about their spirituality or things that they believe they've done in past lives. They might mention things about old bosses or things that happened with their kids when they were 12 years old. And some kinesiologists really want a quiet person while they're working on them so that they can concentrate. However, you can be missing the best part for their healing and for your learning. Because if you're actively listening and then you're doing the processes and you start going, okay, so anger's showing up for you at the moment. So therefore, who were the main people you're angry at the moment? Was that your sister-in-law, or was that ex-boss? Or was that because your son isn't allowing you to see his children? What is it, about that's really driving some anger at the moment? Because a lot of people aren't angry 97% of the time, but those few little things, and then they go, oh no, I'm not angry. Then the next time I see them, they say, you mentioned that anger thing. I was sort of angry at my daughter-in-law. So those type of things can be a really huge thing. Active listening, you've got to do it. Well, you don't have to, but it'll make you a better kinesiologist. Have a great day, everyone.